Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day, everyone. We are going to discuss one problem this time. This is regarding engineering economy. According to the problem, Mrs. De Juan borrowed a money from a bank and she received from the bank 1,340 pesos and promised to pay 1,500 at the end of 9 months. We are going to determine the simple interest rate and the corresponding discount rate, or often referred to as the banker's discount. So this is a problem on engineering economy. And let me begin by identifying the different given data in the problem. According to the problem, we have 1,500 pesos, which was promised by the borrower to pay at the end of 9 months. So that means that is the future amount, which is 1,500 pesos. And the principal that was borrowed was 1,340 pesos at the end of 9 months. So that means if you would like to determine that is the value for N, that is equals to 9 months per a year. So you divide it by 12. And we are going to determine, the question is, we are going to determine the banker's discount. So the banker's discount must be determined. So we have here, for the process, we can make use of the formula for the future value, which is equals to simply the principal plus the interest, wherein F is the future amount, P is the principal, and I is the interest. So using this formula, we will be able to determine the value of I, or the interest. And also, given the formula for I, which is simply equals to, this is simple interest, principal multiplied by the rate of interest multiplied by N. Wherein, in this case, we are given the value for F is 1,500 pesos. P is 1,340 pesos. And N is equals to 9/12. So that is for 1 year. So if we are going to continue with our computation using the formula for the future amount, 1,500 is equals to 1,340 plus the interest. So we will be able to determine the value of the interest, which is 1,500 minus 1,340. So a total of 160 pesos for the interest. And using the formula for the interest, the 160 pesos should be equal to the principal, which is 1,340. And we don't know the rate of interest. That was not given in the problem. But we were given the value of N, which is equals to 9 months. So that is 9/12. 12. And that would give us the value for the rate of interest, which is equals to 0.1592, or the rate of interest is 15.92%. So this is the rate of interest. Okay, the rate of interest. But that is not the question. We are asked to determine the banker's discount. So to determine the banker's discount, we could use the formula for discount. The rate of interest is simply equals to the discount divided by 1 minus the discount. So our rate of interest based on our computation is 0.1592, and we will be able to determine the rate of interest. So by using mathematical equation, so we can have the value for D, 0.1592 times 1 minus D is equals to D. We will be able to determine the value for the discount or the banker's discount. That is 0.1373, or the banker's discount is equals to 13.73%. So this is our answer, the banker's discount. And that ends our presentation for simple interest on engineering economy. Again, this is Dr. Ramela B. Ramirez at your service. I shall see you on my next blog.